We're going into New Year's and we have a new wig. I have new wigs, okay? Oh, okay. Let's cut to the chase. We're gonna go into the New Year's with something bomb. Our hair is going to look bomb and I'm gonna put y'all on. Are y'all ready?
So for this video, we're using this Eunice wig. It is the 7x5 pre-ready wig. It is a golden highlighted wig and it comes ready to wear, friends. So this is what we're working with today.
Okay, so listen, I want to do a series. I don't know what it's called yet, but I want to introduce you guys to some new wigs for the new year, especially going into the new year. We gotta look cute, okay? So for the first step, I am gonna take my Ruby Kisses in the shade 16 and I'm gonna put that all over my stocking cap. Because at this point, I know, best friend, that we're not buying like $400, $500, $600 wigs from people when there are affordable options like such, or you finding your own vendor. At this point, why are you spending so much money when you can get your own vendor for the low? And no, you don't need to buy nobody's vendor list, girl. Easy fucking peasy. Find your own hair vendor. They're all over the place. They're on Alibaba. They're on Snapchat. They are on YouTube. They are on Instagram. They're everywhere. Facebook. Girl, find your vendor. And if content creation is your thing that you want to get into going into the 2026, girl, what's stopping you? Put that wig on your head. Do some hair content. I don't care what anybody say. Yes, it's saturated, but there's only one you. So get to that bag, friend. And you talking about you don't know where to start. I'm gonna tell you where to start. Get you a TikTok. If you want a YouTube, get you a YouTube and just start posting you doing your hair. If you are getting wigs, go on Amazon. There are so many affordable units on there. Go on there showing people that you're learning how to do installs. That's all these companies wants to see in the first place anyway. I'm gonna take a smaller brush and I am just gonna go into both of those colors and go on the edge of the lace. So this is what she's looking like so far. I would have loved this with a little dark root, starting like that much of a dark root. I should have did one, but since we're here, I wanted to continue. To adhere this, I am gonna use my handy dandy favorite spray. This is what I like to use. This is water-based, so if you want to remove this, you can use water to remove this. It also just peels right on off, so you could just peel your scalp back and this will come off. But for the sake of your hair, use some water. I feel like if it had darker roots, I would probably do a widow's peak, but the color of this hair, of the root, is clashing with, I feel like, my skin tone. So yeah, we're gonna leave it like it is, like the hairline is, and we're gonna just go in and melt her. Yep. And I'm gonna take my spray. And then I'm gonna blow dry it on cool. I'm gonna use some spritz and an edge brush. I'm just gonna lay down the hairline so we could go ahead and mold her down. I'm like one of those people that get caught up in watching those YouTube growth videos, but honestly, when they are saying that it is the perfect time to start your social media journey, like, friend, start that shit. What are you waiting for? I've been so inconsistent with my social media for the past 2 or 3 years, and I just made a promise to myself that this year go around 2026, I am going to change everything. How I record, my intentions on recording, my intentions on just everything when it comes to me. Like, I just want to get better. I want to get back into the groove of recording. So I just wanted to come in and say, it's a new year. Don't wait till the first to start now. Be your true self. If you want to be a content creator, be a content creator. If you hate your job, go get another one, baby. Like, it's one of those situations. Don't feel stuck, okay? Don't feel like you gave up or anything like that. Like, just be in your truth and do what it is that makes you happy. Okay, this has been sitting on for about 20 minutes, and let's take her off. And this is what she's looking like. She's looking real good. She's looking real good, okay? Let's get a picture, because we need a thumbnail. Now this did come curled, but I did straighten her because I wanted some straightened hair. I didn't want curls, so I'm gonna go through it one more time with the flat iron.
Shameless plug, this is my favorite flat iron. I will have a link down below because you can order it from Amazon, but you also can get it from Sally's. This is a nano titanium and it does come into different colors. This is white, but I know that they have a blue one and I know that they have a silver one.
Take a little bit of this. Let me go switch my clothes. I'll be right back.
So for 24 inches, this is a pretty long wig on its own. I am about 5'5", so it goes almost to my butt. And I'm not gonna lie, this is one of those wigs that you are gonna have to wear some makeup with because, ooh, baby, she was washing me out.
What do you guys think? Would you wear this wig? If you are interested, I will have everything in the link down below in the description box. Until next time, bye best friends.